Friends, today I am showing you an EDC pen. It is also referred as the telescopic pen and sliding pen also. If we measured the pen, then you can see the size of the pen is 4.5 inches, and this is also a type of mini pen that you can easily carry anywhere with you, so it's really good. But how it retracts, how the refill comes from the barrel, if you have to pull it like this way, as you can see, the refill came out from the barrel. This is the refill. Some people use it like this way, pull the full, and pulling fully it goes to a size of 5.5 inches. And if you do not want to pull it fully, it is really good if you like holding like this. But if you do not want to pull it fully, then in this case you can pull it little bit, just little. Yes yes that will work also. As you can see, in this case the refill came out here, and if we measure it, as we have said that we didn't pull it fully, then you can see the size is 4.5 inch. That means we didn't pull 1 inch more. You can pull it 1 inch more, but if you want to use it, then you can use it like just like this. This is not from Zebra or any of the renowned world famous brands, but this is an EDC pen from India, and the brand is Pearl. This company is making pens from for Zebra and other renowned world brands, just like an outsource. And let us have some writing samples. Here we will get some writing samples. Many people want to see inside this kind of pens, how this kind of pens works. So let us see. First of all, you have to pull it fully. Of course you can change the refill, there is no problem. It is refillable, and this is the refill, this is the barrel, and this is the refill. You can see that this is a plastic jotter refill, but you can put a stainless steel or a metal jotter refill also. It will definitely support it. This is my EDC pen. Thank you for watching.